Why do we snore when we sleep? When you breathe, the air through your nose passes through the ceiling of your mouth and throat. However, when you sleep, the muscles of the neck milk are stretched more than when you are awake, so the passage through the air narrows. So when the air passes by, the throat trembles and makes a sound, and that's the snoring sound. If you breathe with your mouth open, your throat will ring more and cause you to snore louder, and if you are fat or have a large throat, you may have a narrower passageway in and out of the ball, so you may snore.